Hi everyone, Ben Taylor here and welcome to today's video. I'm in such a good mood today because it's no longer raining here in England, the rainiest country in the world. It's now sunny, so I'm going to go outside, I'm going to take some photos, I'm going to shoot some video, I'm going to have a great time. No, I'm not! I'm going to shoot video inside because today's tutorial is all about taking photos inside and getting results that way. By the end of today's tutorial, I promise that you're going to be able to take pictures and feel confident in yourself when taking them, because you're going to have these creative ideas which you can just take and add into your own photography workflow. So without further ado, let's jump into today's tutorial and get started. So what did you think? I hope you found these ideas really useful, and just get creative with them. Start adding these things into your own photography and you'll be surprised at the amazing results you can achieve. Now, if you want to buy stuff like this, what I can do is put some links down in the description area of YouTube. You can go along and buy them there. Otherwise, you might have things like a pack of cards lying around your own house in a drawer or something. You can just take them and create a cool little vignette in the corner of your lens. Okay guys, I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial. If you liked it, then make sure you like it on YouTube. And most importantly, I love making these videos for you to watch. So please subscribe to my channel and enjoy new videos every single week. Whatever you do today guys, have a great day. And if you live in England, get out and enjoy that sunshine. And I'll see you all really soon.